Hello friends, in a previous video we have seen that how to create a database and table in a MySQL. So today we have to see that how to insert the data into that table. So for that query is insert into table name, then we have to pass the column names which we have given during the table creation, then write values, then we have to pass the values for that columns. So let's try to do it practically on a command line client. So for that open the command line client. This is MySQL command line, enter password. Now we have to see that how many databases are present. So for that query is show databases. These are the databases, and in a previous video we have created student record database, so we have to use that database. So enter here use, and database name is a student record. Database has changed. Now we have to see that how many tables are present in a student record database. So enter show tables. So there is only one table in a student record database, that is a student. Now we have to describe the student table, and we have to see that how many columns are present in the student table. So for that query describe and table name. Table name is student. So in a student table there are three columns: ID, name and city. ID is of type integer and ID has a no null value, and we have make ID as a primary key, and extra information about ID column is a auto incremented. And next column is a name of type varchar, and third column is a city, it is also of varchar. Now we have to insert the value into the table. So for that query is insert into table name is student. Then we have to pass the column name, ID, name and city. Then write values. Okay. So we have to give the value for that column. So ID is, then name, and city suppose Pune. So query OK, one row affected. Now we have to see that whether data is inserted successfully or not. So for that query is select star from table name is student. Yes, we have inserted one record successfully into the table. Now we have to see that at a time we have to insert the multiple record. Then how we can? So we can do insert into student and pass the values. And city name is suppose Mumbai. Now we have to give a comma, not a semicolon. And suppose we have to insert third record. Yes, query OK, two rows affected successfully. Now we have to see that whether data is inserted successfully or not. So insert select star from student. Yes, we have inserted three records successfully into the table.